Oh my God, Dave. We're hooked up, son, on a good one and no camera running.
Welcome back to the Friday the 13th version of Hooked Up. Back down here on the Poca, kind of as a second choice this evening, which I guess this honey hole isn't too bad for a second choice, but was headed to Parkersburg to fish Point Park tonight, and couldn't come up with enough bait to justify the trip, so sticking a little closer to home tonight. I want to thank you guys for joining me tonight down here on the bank, and we're going to try to get it done. It's already 9:30, so getting a bit of a late start, but that ain't too bad for on Friday night. We don't have a full moon, but we got a moon. Probably 3/4 tonight, something like that. A lot of people say that you can't be effective fishing for flatheads on a full moon, but the best night I've ever had is at least probably in total poundage was on a full moon. So I guess it can affect it, but it can also go the other way, so I don't use it as an excuse not to fish. We have some action here soon. Hopefully we'll bring you back and get you involved.
I don't know what it is about mowing grass that makes it hard for me to sleep. Even just riding the mower yesterday, it makes it harder on me to sleep.
Well, you've sat in that position for a long time. I don't know. It's not a small piece of property. I don't think I just look at it as two things that keep you physically active. Whatever you can do to stay active.
Oh my God, Dave. We're hooked up, son, on a good one and no camera running. That's a decent fish. I don't think it's huge. First action of the night, that is on bluegill head. I don't think it's very big. Hand me my headlamp, please. He might be bigger than I think. He ain't huge, I don't think, or he ain't figured out that he's hooked. He's carrying on. That might be a blue. Might be a blue cat the way he's carrying on. He's running at me now. Yeah, put the headlamp on yourself. It is a blue. Put the headlamp on yourself and turn it on.
Problem is I've got the...
Okay.
I'm trying to stand
It ain't huge. It's about like the one... one that I caught before, about 10 or 12 pounds, but that's my second blue cat. You're going to have to get the net for me, Dave. I don't think I want to try to boat flip that.
Okay.
My goodness, I'll have that was a pretty impressive takedown, just like the last blue. They absolutely slam it. I should have it on the other camera. He slammed it. No action at all for a couple hours. Yeah, I know it is. Almost positive. No, yeah, I think that's a blue. You still recording? He slammed that bluegill head. Yeah, that's a blue. Tell by his fin back there. A pretty good one. He's bigger than that last one I caught. In a row, never caught a single blue, and now I've caught two. Man, he caught me by surprise. Look at the belly. I want you to look at the belly on that now. That is a sumo blue. He has been eating good. And he will bite the fire out of me if he gets a chance. But I got something for him. I just barely felt his tooth pad, and I'm telling you, it is sharp. Man, he was hooked good, right in the corner. There we go. So that would be 15.3. So he's 5 pounds heavier than the last blue. I hated he's all muddy. Won't get any more good pictures, but let me turn this light off. With it point, I'll point it straight down. Take a Alright, let's let him go. Your camera's, the light's not coming on. Thanks for playing.
There you go.
Well, thanks for joining me tonight on Hooked Up. Been an interesting evening, to say the least. Had to come to my fallback position because I didn't get enough bait to go to Parkersburg. One of my primary motivators to go to Parkersburg was the potential to catch blue cat out of the Ohio River, and then turn around and caught new personal best blue cat, the second one this season out of the Poca River, about 15 pounds. So that was a real surprise and turned around a really slow night. It took a couple hours to get it done, and we've been here another hour or so. It's just after 1 in the morning. So we're gonna call it an evening. Thank you guys again for joining me here on the riverbank, and hopefully we'll bring you some more videos soon. Appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Thanks again.